Wagwan, wagwan.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yes, man.
It's your girl Maria,
The island boy.
Island boy.
And little Bobo ignoring.
So guys, as you can see, we've got our little gadgets on today.
DJI mic.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out whether you guys can hear us really well. It's a really windy day.
Very windy.
We're at Tweed Heads at the moment. We're going to go watch a movie. The weather is, as you can see, windy and cold. If you look at the sea, it's really rough out there.
Yes, man.
And the people are still swimming, crazily enough.
Yeah, and you want to tell them what today is?
The 1st of June.
1st of June.
Which is
winter.
First day of winter.
Yeah. You know?
So, but it's not that cold.
Yeah,
it's cold, but it's not like I'm completely freezing.
It's good.
So
it's good.
that's nice.
Yeah,
All right, we're going to take little Bobble to the park for a bit because he's starting to get a little antsy, guys.
Look at him.
So let's go.
This sweet guys.
Oh, we see you. I see you. All right, so we're going to the park. Yes, man. Always good to come out to the city, you know?
Yeah, it's a Saturday, so
careful.
first day of June, and we thought, why not? Let's make the most of it.
Yeah, man.
So hopefully everyone can hear us well and clear and true and loud. By the way, guys, I just wanted to share. Don't you reckon Babe looks so good?
Oh my God.
Look at him now.
You know? Yeah, man. I'm not too dressed up, but you know?
Yeah.
Looks good. Yeah.
What kind of vibes is he giving off?
The vibe, you know?
Afro beats, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
All right, I pass you.
Alrighty. What you gonna do, Bobo?
You scared me.
Oh, did I? Yeah? No, you play. Oh, you're gonna fall
So
down?
even if I'm like far away, you can still catch me?
Yeah, it still
That
works.
still catches me?
Yeah. That's the good thing about it.
Ah.
First you have to climb. I'm not gonna make all the effort. Come on. Put your foot on, get grip. Other one. Oh, you're like a ninja. Huh? Little ninja.
Yeah, I'm doing
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! How long can you hold on? Huh? How is the view up there? How is the weather?
Help me. Help.
Yeah. You gonna come down now? Alright. Enjoy. No, that one is for big people.
Hey guys, so today's sponsor of the video is Tafon. Tafon is a Australian-wide company that have sent me a collab today. So here I am reviewing their product. So this is Tafon. We've just recently had a power outage today, so this is going to come in so handy for me for the next time that happens in our household. And anywhere you go, you can take it anywhere you want. All you got to do is just make sure it's charged prior to using it. So this power pocket, it's basically fits in your pocket, and we're going to open it now and have a look. So it comes with all the little wire to charge it, the little USB that goes behind the computer. I'm suggesting it would be something that would charge as well. And here is the little power pocket. Fits in your pocket. You can take it anywhere around the world with you, and you can enjoy its use. There we go. iPhones. And this is the box it comes in. It's actually only 92 grams in weight, and it's a really good product. I think that it's really handy for those people that don't want to actually carry big portable charging things when they're traveling. Super easy. All you got to do is you just grab it, plug it in, and that's it. Just charges your phone away, guys. So yeah, I reckon you guys should go grab yourself one of these. They have 80 stores around Australia where you can get one of these. I'll be putting all the links down below in the description, and you guys can go and click ahead and go get yourself a power pocket. Or a power pocket, that's what they call it. So there we go, power bank pocket. The company Tafon is in Brisbane, Australia, and they have over 80 stores Australia wide. So please go ahead, go and get yourself one of these today. They're absolutely great. I also wanted to say that the price is $34.99 just for one little gadget like this, and you won't be disappointed. I'm super happy, super stoked to have this. Basically, the battery life of the charger has already come at 78%. I'm super stoked. Like I said, we had a power outage earlier on, and this came really handy for us. So I'm going to definitely be taking it on my travels and anywhere I go, actually, because I really need something like this. So thank you very much, Tafon, the company. Really appreciate your collaboration with us today, with the Island family, and you'll be definitely seeing this in our next vlogs when we do our traveling vlogs and so forth. So thank you once again, and if you guys obviously want to grab yourself one, which I highly recommend you do, just go into the links in the description below and you'll find everything that you can, that you might want to buy from tafon.com. Anyways, big up yourselves, and I'll always support Australian companies. So yeah, thank you so much.
The roundabout, take the first exit.
So guys, we're just doing a little drive through Tweed's heads at the moment.
Lots of hotels. Would you say most of these buildings on the front hotels, eh?
Yeah, units, hotels.
Oh, okay. This is it. The city life. Country come to town.
Buildings here are just magnificent, and people keep building more and more and more.
Yeah.
It's not...
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
It's crazy.
Always development.
For sure.
Red light, camera ahead.
Thank you.
Red light, green light.
Oh gosh.
You'd like to call Happy High Herbs? Just to confirm, you'd like to call Happy High Herbs?
No.
Alright. So we are beautiful people at the cinema.
Yeah.
About to go watch Planet of the Apes.
Planet of the Apes, guys.
Yeah.
So stay tuned and we'll let you know what it's all about.
Yeah, man. So we are exactly on.
Family movie.
Yeah, exactly on time. So grab the popcorn and get settled in. Yeah.
It's been a long day.
Hi, Bobo. An island vomited all over himself.
Yeah.
So we had to buy clothes for him because he never bring extra. Look at him now. Huh?
Looks like Dad.
This is the cinema. We've been here before. The last time we've been here was for the Bob Marley movie, and we're here again.
Yeah.